good morning girls. Once again I welcome to the online classes of the numerical analysis and in the last class we started unit 4 and in that we discussed Taylor series applications and a method, and next Picard's method, formula and applications. And I said that I am going to I'll share a few more applications related to this. Yes ma, so today I am going to share all the applications which are solved by me only. Okay, so next method is Euler's method. Euler's method. Write down my formula. Yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn. So this is the formula. Here the values of the n starts from 0. When you will put n equal to 0, then you will get y1 equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. So we'll of course in the question they gives the values of the x0 and y0. By that we can calculate. Now write down where h equal to x minus x0. Okay. Now write down one question. Apply Euler's method. Apply Euler's method. Apply Euler's method to solve y dash is equal to x plus y. Y not equal to 0. Y not equal to 0 means here x is also 0. Choosing the step length h is equal to 0.2. Write in bracket. Carry out 6 steps and compute y of 0.4 and y of 0.6. So actually here what they gave the value of the y dash. Y dash means dy by dx, right? And here what is the function value dy? We know that dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. So now here write down, given that f of x comma y is equal to x plus y and y not equal to 0, f of x comma y is equal to x plus y. Y not equal to 0 means x naught is also equal to 0. The meaning of this is y of 0 is equal to 0. Therefore x naught is equal to 0. And here what they mentioned, h is equal to 0.2. Now what they are asking, carry out 6 steps. So here we have to find 6 values. So first of all here what I am doing is, I am going to calculate first of all the x values, and afterwards we will go for the functional values. Okay, now write down x naught equal to 0, x1 equal to x naught plus h, 0 plus 0.2, that is 0.2. Next x2 is equal to x1 plus h, 0.4. x3 equal to x2 plus h, 0.6. x5 is 1. 0.8 after that 1, otherwise you can write the 1.0 also. x6, x5 plus h is 1.2. These are the x values. Now here what we have to do? Now by Euler's method, what we have now? Yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn. Okay. Now here first of all I am going to put n is equal to 0. Then y1 equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. y1 equal to, what is y0? 0 plus h is 0.2 and f of x0 y naught means here x naught plus y naught. So it is 0.2, x naught is 0, y naught is also 0. So therefore what will be the value of y1 here? y1 is nothing but 0. Now therefore y1 equal to 0. Next, for n equal to 1, y2 equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. Now what is y1? 0 plus 0.2. Next, x1 plus y1. What is x1? 0.2. y1 is, what is y1? y1 means obviously 0. Now 0.2 into 0.2. What we get here? 0.04. 0.04. Now y2. y2 means simply here this one. Okay, next. For n equal to 2. y3 equal to y2 plus h into x2 plus y2. Now what will be the y2 value? 0.04 plus 0.2 into x2 is 0.4 plus y2 is 0.04. Now take the addition of these two. 0.4 plus 0.04 equal to into 0.2 equal to plus 0.04. It is nothing but 0.128. It is nothing but the value of the y3. So now here, this I am comparing the values. Yeah, we got the correct answer. So now here what I have to mention? Y of x3 is equal to y3 is equal to this one. Y of x2 and so on. Okay. Next, n equal to 3. y4 equal to y3 plus h into, here what we get? x3 plus y3. What is y3 ma? y3 is 0.128 plus 0.2. x3 is 0.6 plus 0.128. Calculate this value. 0.2736. I am taking that. After 3 we have a 6, so that's why I am taking 4. Next, n is equal to 4. y5 equal to y4 plus h into x4 plus y4. What is y4? 0.274 plus 0.2 into x4 is 0.8. Now take the calculation. .4888 I have. So 488. Up to 3 digits I am taking. Last value is y6 because there we what they are carry out up to 6 steps. That's why I am calculating up to here. 0.488 plus 0.2 into x5 is 1. 8. So now 1.488 into 0.2 plus 0.488. 0.7856, so I am taking that 0.786. So now here I have all the values of the y. So simply here, therefore, if you want, then you can put that n is equal to 6 also, because here we have that x6. With that we can calculate. So if you want, then you can calculate those values also. Now y6. Now what we get now? 0.786 plus 0.2 into x6 value is 1.2 plus 0.786. Now calculate this value. 0.786 plus 1.2. 0.2 plus 0.786. It is 1.1832. So now here listen. In the question what they asked is y of 0.4, y of 0.6. If you observe, y of 0.4 means x2. Y of 0.6 means x3. So now here these are the values. Y of 0.4. x3 means y of 0.6. So these are nothing but they asked special. So therefore what you have to write, y of 0.4 is 0.04 and y of 0.6 is equal to 0.128. That's it. This is nothing but the Euler method. Next. Now write down mark. Actually here we have only few applications, so I'm thinking which applications I have to discuss. Same thing, every time we have to take the same procedure. Okay. Now write down using Euler's method. Using Euler's method. Find the value of y. Find the value of y when x is equal to 0.6 of dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 2xy. 1 minus 2xy. Given that y equal to 0 when x equal to 0. Take h is equal to 0.2. And what they asked to find the y value at x is equal to 0.6. So we have to find this value. So first of all here, given that, now this is a given information. Now here what I am doing is, given that, and here what is the h value? 0.2. And here y of 0 is equal to, what they mentioned, y is equal to 0 when x equal to 0. That means here x not equal to 0, y not is also equal to 0. Now first of all x not value 0, x1 is 0 plus h, that is 0.2. Next x2, x1 plus h 0.4, x3, x2 plus h 0.6. Actually they asked to find that x is equal to 0.6. So I am taking up to here because they didn't mention up to 6 steps, up to 8 like that. So I want to know about this value. So that's why I am taking up to here. Next, what we have to do now? Now by Euler's method, yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn. Now for n is equal to 0. For n equal to 0, calculate now. Okay, so now here n equal to 0, then y1 equal to y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. For the first one I am taking clearly. Now y1 equal to, what is y naught? Y naught is 0 plus h is 0.2 into f of x naught, means here f of x comma y is equal to 1 minus 2xy. Now 1 minus 2x naught y naught. Then what we get here? 0.2 of 1 minus x naught x y naught. Both are zeros. So now it is equal to 0.2. Next, for n equal to 1, y2 equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. What is y1 here? 0.2 plus 0.2 of 1 minus 2 into x1. 0.2 into y1, 0.2. Now you have to calculate this value. Make it fast. First of all, 0.2 whole square into 2 1 minus open bracket 2 into 0.2 into 0.2 0.92 into 0.2 plus 0.2 0.384. Next, for n equal to 2, y2 means here what is the value of the x1, that is 0.2. Now y3 equal to y2 plus h into, directly I am writing the function 1 minus 2x1 y1 అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే y of what we get here, so y3 I am calculating, so y3 of x3, what will be the value of the, okay, now see here directly I am taking this value. Now y2 is 0.384 plus h is 0.2, 1 minus 2 into what is x1, 0.2. Sorry, here x1 is finished now, now it is x2, y2. Now what is x2? 0.4 into y2, 0.384. So here I am calculating the value of the y3. Okay, so now here 1 minus open bracket 2 into 0.4 into 0.384 into 0.2 plus 0.384, 0.52256, so I am taking that 523. This is y3. Next, lastly n equal to 3, y4 equal to, ఇది ఎప్పుడైనా కొంచెం గ్రేటర్ ఉంటుందండి, ఇక్కడ లెస్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఇదేంటి, y3 of x2, y3 of 0.4. నెక్స్ట్ y4, y3 plus h into 1 minus 2x3 y3, so 0.523 plus h is 0.2, 1 minus 2 into x3. What is x3? 0.6. So this is nothing but the required value. Now where we are substituting the value of the x as 0.6, that is nothing but the required value. Now 1 minus open bracket 2 into 0.6 into 0.523, close the bracket, into 0.2 plus 0.523, 0.5974. I am taking up to 3 digits, so y4. So therefore what we have to write here, therefore here at x equal to 0.6, y is nothing but 0.597 is the required answer. So like this you have to calculate. Now I am going to give homework to you. I will give the hint also. Okay, now write down using Euler's method. Using Euler's method, simple normal, just a formula, and every time we have to substitute the values. Using Euler's method, find y of 0.1 from dy by dx is equal to x plus y plus xy, comma y of 0 is equal to 1, taking h is equal to 0.025. Okay, so here first of all what they are asking, y of, we have to find this value, and here what they mentioned, y of 0 is equal to 1 means x naught is equal to 0, y naught is equal to 1. and here x1 is nothing but 0 plus h, which is nothing but 0.025. x2 is equal to x1 plus h, 0.025 plus 0.025, that means 0.05. Next you have to calculate x3, x4. For x4 you will get it as 0.1. Next again by substituting Euler's method, n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, 4. Up to 4 you have to calculate because y of 0.1 we have to know, so that's why. Okay? And the answer is y1 is, write down, it is side, take the answers. y1 is 1.025. నియర్ కూడా రావచ్చండి, మీకు ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు, ఏమైనా డెసిమల్స్లో చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. y2 is 1.0518, y3 is 1.0538 and y4 1.0839, y5 is 1.11356. Next, write down, next question. Using Euler's method, compute y of 3 with h is equal to 0.5, dy by dx is equal to x plus y, and y of 0 is equal to 1. So x0 is 0, y0 is 1. We have to find x0 we have now, so x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, then you will get 3. Next again y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7 కూడా, ఎందుకంటే 6 కూడా లాస్ట్ మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి కదా, అది. నెక్స్ట్ రైట్ డౌన్, సాల్వ్ dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square, y of 0 is equal to 0. Compute the value of, so ఈ 3 values calculate చేయాలి. Now here just, of course they didn't mention about h value, but if you see this one 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, so h is equal to 0.1. Okay, next put a side heading, modified Euler's method. Write down formula, write as it is. This one is denoted with like a y1 power n, like records, okay, which is equal to y0 plus h by 2 of f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 comma y1 power n minus 1. Next y2 power n, y1 plus h by 2 of f of x1 comma y1 plus f of x2 comma y2 whole power n minus 1. So generally here I wrote for y1, y2 power n. So what will be the yn? Actually the formula is nothing but this one, you have to remember this. Now say y2 means y1 we are getting, so n minus 1 plus h by 2 of f of again xn minus 1 comma y n minus 1 plus f of yn comma yn power n minus 1. What is the formula for the modified అంటే దాన్ని ఉన్న యూలర్స్ దాన్ని ఇంకా మోడిఫై చేయడం, ఓకేనా. ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, y1, y2, y3, y4 like that we are calculating. So in generally the formula is yn minus 1 plus, ante every time we are taking that y naught, next y naught plus some h into f of x, there what we use the general formula is yn is equal to yn, simply we took that yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn. దీంట్లో ఏంటి, every time will be different, okay. So now here the formula is yn power n is equal to yn minus 1 plus h by 2 into this values. This is called as a modified Euler's method. Now write down one application. I am going to discuss one application and the remaining I will share to you, okay. Now write down, given that dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to x plus y square. X plus y square and y equal to 1 at x equal to 0. Find the approximate value of y. Find the approximate value of y at x equal to 0.5. Okay. Now here what they gave, therefore write down first of all given that dy by dx is equal to x plus y square. That is f of x comma y is equal to x plus y square. The initial conditions y equal to 1 at x equal to 0. Therefore x naught is 0, y naught is 1. H is equal to, here we have to find h now. So here what they gave, here we have to find at x is equal to 0.5. So now h is nothing but x minus x naught. 0 point, because here they didn't give the value of the h. So that's why here we have to find the h value by using this formula minus x naught 0. So directly it is nothing but 0.5. H is equal to 0.5. So now here, therefore x naught is equal to 0, x1 is equal to x naught plus h, 0.5, where we have to find here only. So that's why it is enough. Now by using modified Euler's method, what is the formula? yn whole power n, yn minus 1 plus h by 2 of f of xn minus 1 comma yn minus 1 plus f of, this is x, xn comma yn power n minus 1. Now what we have to do, we have to put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. Now write down. After this put n equal to 0. ఇక్కడ దీన్ని చేంజ్ చేయకూడదు పవర్ n, okay, only for sufficient n. Then y0 power n is equal to, ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ n will be different, n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next here y minus 1 we will get. What we get here? N minus 1. Sorry, it is n equal to 1 now, because here we are getting the negative value now. So that's why I am starting the value of the n as 1 y naught plus h by 2 of f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 comma y1 whole power n minus 1. Now write. Now put n equal to, for power, remember for power n is nothing, n value starts from 0, 1 to so on, and base n value starts from 1 to so on. Now for power n equal to 0, so then what we get, for n equal to 0 we will get y1 power 0, which is equal to, what will be the formula? Y naught plus h by 2 of f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 power minus 1. So when we have here minus 1, okay, I am taking directly. Now what will be the y naught value? 1 plus, what is h? 0.5 by 2, and here we have that only f of x naught comma y naught. We don't have this one, so take it as a 0. Now f value is nothing but x naught plus y naught square. Now it is equal to 1 plus 0.5 by 2. Otherwise I will say another formula for this one, because we are getting the negative now, so that's why here directly I am taking the first value, the write down formula y1 power 0 is equal to, and here y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0 by using the Euler's method. Okay, so by taking this one we will calculate all the values, and I will continue this application in the next class. Okay, thank you everyone.